Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've posted to my channel, but there's a good reason, and the reason is we finally found and bought our dream house last fall. So we've been really busy with projects and such, just getting moved over. So as you can see, we've also been busy cutting the yard. Got a pretty big yard. Anyways, I'm gonna start posting a little more now that I got a ton of projects for the new house. It's a craftsman or a custom built house, which was built in 1990, so it's rather dated. So there's plenty of projects to post to the channel. So I will be doing more of that. This video, I want to actually talk through the building of my chicken coop. Actually, my daughter's chicken coop. She wanted chickens, and so I did about 2 weeks of research and watched videos and read literature on the best chicken coop to build and how to build it and different specs. And so what I did was I took all the information I had gathered and just built my own chicken coop, and I wanted to go through some of the features that I've implemented into it, so maybe that'll save someone some time in researching how to make their chicken coop. And so really this is just an informative video to help anyone jog some ideas on how they want to build their chicken coop. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that it helps somebody out. All right, I'll stop this and get up to the garage. Okay, well there she is. Obviously I got a lot more to do, and I'll probably do this in a 2 or 3 part video series, but I'll just kind of keep you guys updated. But I can still go through some of the main features of the coop before I get it finished. So the first thing you'll notice is I decided to build these on some wheels. This thing gets rather heavy, and if you're not going to build it on site in your backyard or in a field, then make sure you put some way of moving this big thing along. So I put the wheels on there, which also allowed me to move it around in the garage as I needed room for different things. So that's the first thing I did. Also, you'll notice on the corner posts, I have 4x4s going all the way from the ground up into the actual roof on all 4 corners. So I did that for strength and stability. So that's one feature I learned with my research. Also, you'll know that the inside is lined. I used an aluminum, some flat stock, some flashing, and put that in the bottom, basically so that wood will not absorb a bunch of odor and stuff from the chickens, and it also makes it easy to clean out. I'll have a door here, it'll open up, and I can just use a broom and sweep that out real easily. This is real slippery right here, so that'll just slide out and it won't hold any odor and should preserve the wood subfloor nicely. So that's another feature. I did a lean-to roof on this, so it's really just a 4-inch difference at the top, and I haven't decided on the roof material, but the lean-to seemed really easy to do. So also on this back side, I'll put a gutter on the back there, and I'll have a rain collection system tied into it. So that's what will be on the back side. On the nesting boxes, we have 9 chickens, so 4 boxes should be suffice. They're just the standard 1 by 1 by 1, so 1 cubic foot was what I researched and found to be adequate. I'll have some little lips here built on the front here shortly, kind of keep the nesting material from falling out and stuff. So also you'll notice that the wood is all pressure treated. So basically the pressure treated wood was much cheaper than the regular wood, so I just went ahead and built it all out of pressure treated wood. It's just the safer ground contact pressure treated wood, so yeah, should last a long time against moisture and such. All right, another feature I added was on the back side, I actually incorporated a closet or a little storage area. So this is just like a 2 foot by 4 foot storage area, and there'll be a door here. And basically this will you can store food and some of the ground shavings and stuff that you'd put inside the coop back here, so you wouldn't have to keep walking back and forth from the garage, and just kind of keep it on site. Maybe some cleaning tools like a shovel and a rake. So I really like that idea of having a storage unit attached to it. So I have that. And let's see what else is worth talking to about. I guess up here I don't have it framed out yet, but up in here I'm gonna have like a sliding window, so it'll be screened, and then you can actually slide a piece of wood to close it or open it based on the weather outside, and so it'll allow for adequate ventilation. And then I'll actually have another window up here, so the ventilation will come through. And they'll have some roosting bars in here as well. So anyway, well, those are all the features, or kind of some of the features I've incorporated. So hopefully that helps y'all out. Oh, I guess I will add that. So the dimensions I used were just basically a 4 foot by 8 foot kind of flooring. So I used 1 sheet of plywood for the whole floor, and just kind of built off that. So that made it easy, and obviously there was no waste. That was all just 1 sheet of OSB right here. So anyway, so I hope you guys found this informative. If you were wondering or thinking of some ideas, maybe this will help you out a little bit. And then if you got any questions or anything, let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. And then I'll put another part 2 series as I go. And then it'll probably take three videos to complete it. So I guess now that I'm thinking about it, I also will be using the underneath of it'll be part of the run. So that'll be hardware cloth around there, and then you'll have an extra shady spot underneath there to add to the run. So all right, well, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys will like and subscribe, and just kind of follow along if you want to see how it turns out. And again, please ask any questions you have, because I'll be glad to answer them. All right, until part 2, we will talk to you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.